How to set up different calendar view such as day, week, month in Timetree. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to set up different calendar view on Timetree. So in that case, you have to first of all log in into your account. Also make sure that your application is completely up to date. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update the app. So when you're done updating your app, then go ahead and click the open button and then log in into your account. Now to begin with a different calendar view, you have to first of all select the calendar for which you wish to go ahead and set that. So I'm gonna go with this one. And when you do that, when you have access to the specific calendar type, then you can go ahead and tap the gear icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and then you can scroll down a bit and then you can see this option as calendar view. Accordingly, you can go ahead and select it and head back to the page or home page, and here you can see this is basically how you can set up different calendar view. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.